shopping at Wawa.
What is up, guys? Welcome to today's video. As you guys just saw, I got my coffee, so I am ready to go. And for today's video, I'm about to go to Daytona Beach right now. I'm about 20 minutes away. And I'm not really sure what today's video has in store, so it's gonna be a surprise for me and for you guys as well. And first things first, gotta get a workout in, so I'm about to go to that one park that I was at about a month ago. It's like right by the International Speedway. It's a pretty dope park. So first things first, get the workout in, and then we'll see where the day takes us. Let's get it. Alright guys, I made it to the park and it's got pretty much everything you need as far as calisthenics equipment goes. It's got rings, multiple pull-up bars, multiple dip bars. I'll show you guys around for a second. And it's right by the International Speedway, like I said. It's right over here. So it's a pretty sick area. It's got nice turf as well. Pretty dope. Alright, and for today's workout, about to hit a back day. And the last time that I was here, which was about a month and a half ago, maybe 2 months ago, was my first day training for the front lever. Since then, I've been able to hold it for about 2 to 3 seconds with like okay form. So we'll see what I can do today. And yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so honestly I'm a bit annoyed right now just because my last couple workouts I was able to hold the front lever with much better form and for about a second or two longer. So it's always hard to feel like you're going backwards and you're not making progress the way you should be able to, but it's all about trusting the process, knowing that you're going to get there, being able to make changes however you see fit. But with that being said, right now this is my last attempt. We're going to see how this goes. Holy shit, bro, it is fucking hot. According to my car's dashboard, it's 92 degrees. That's probably a bit high. It should be closer to the high 80s, but that's still insane because it's not even 10 o'clock in the morning yet and it's already this hot. But when it comes to being in Florida from like May until September, you just have to embrace the heat. So that's what I'm about to do right now. I am on the way to the beach and I will see y'all there. Alright guys, I made it out to the beach. It is very windy and the ocean is very loud. There's a lot of waves coming in, so hopefully the audio is not completely messed up. I would wear my mic right now, but I'm about to test my new camera in the ocean. I got the new DJI Osmo Action 4 and it's fully waterproof, so I'm about to go test it out and see what that looks like. Might not be able to see too much just because the water is not that clear, but let's go find out. Okay, so it just feels weird walking into the ocean with the camera. Look at this, bro. because I've never done it before, so I feel like I'm about to wreck my camera, but it is an action camera. It's fully waterproof. God damn, bro. This is so sick. But I'm going to Costa Rica in 2 months. So that's kind of why I got it, just to be able to capture some pretty sick footy. But yeah, bro, this is dope. Let's see what this shit does underwater. 3, 2, 1. Hey, we're back. But what I wanted to talk about out here is the fact that it's really important to do things in life where you don't want to be on your phone when you're doing a specific activity or hobby. It's just like right now, I don't have my phone on me at all. It's just me, my camera, and the waves. So for me, going to the beach, it's always been very therapeutic to me. Look at this. Oh. Holy shit, bro. That's why I got this camera, to capture shit like that. But yeah, as I was saying, being at the beach is like therapy to me. And I feel like nowadays people get so caught up in just being on their phone all the time. Like whenever you have downtime, you're just on your phone. But what you should do is not forget what you love to do in life. You know, do things where you don't even want to be on your phone. Where like just being in a certain environment, in a certain setting, doing a certain activity is so enjoyable to you that you don't even want to be on that shit, bro. Because then you can experience more life, you can be more in tune with who you are, and just feel a lot better about what you're doing, and not just invest your time into your phone, into other people and what they're doing, but live your own life, bro. Should have brought a boogie board, bro. Oh my God, bro, this is crazy. So, if you feel inspired after watching this, I would encourage you to go outside, do something you enjoy doing, reconnect with who you once were, to nature, whatever that may entail. And I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.